It's lesson 27. Let's begin by revising our sounds. Try to say the sounds before I do. T, s, ah. Say the sounds just by looking at the letters. Ah, s, t. Name these letters. M, T, A, S. When we write the letter T, we start at the starting star, which is up at the red dotted line. Pencil on and straight down to the bottom black solid line. To do the cross through, we start on the middle black line and go from left to right. Words are made up of phonemes. We are going to blend phonemes to read words. Our first word has two letters, A and T. A makes the sound A and T makes the sound T. So let's blend those together. At. At. I read a word. At. This word has three letters. S, A, T. Let's sound out the phonemes for these letters. S, A, T. Now let's blend them together more quickly. Sat. Sat. I read the word sat. Now watch what happens if I cover up the S. Oh, we just read a word like that. At. At. The word sat without the S is at. Now the S is back, it says sat. The next word has three letters. M, A, T. Let's sound out the phonemes. A, T. Okay, now blend it together smoothly. Mat. Mat. I read the word mat. Now watch what happens when we cover up the M. It says at. At. That's what it said in sat and at. Now when we uncover the M, it says mat. This word has two letters, A, M. Let's sound the phonemes. A, and the letter M is Blend them together. Am. Am. I read the word am. The next word has three letters. S, A, M. Let's sound out the phonemes for those letters. S, A, M. Now blend it more quickly. Sam. Sam. I read the word Sam. Now watch what happens when we cover up the S. Am. It says am. The word Sam without the S is am. Our next word has three letters. T, A, M. Let's sound out their phonemes. T, A, M. Now blend them more quickly. Tam. Tam. Tam can be somebody's name. Now watch what happens when we cover up the T. It says am, just like the other two words. And if I uncover the T again, it says tam. We are going to play snap. If the letter shown matches the first sound in the picture, then hit the ground and say snap. Let's do one together. T. Tiger. Tiger starts with T. They match, so I can hit the ground and call out snap. Try and beat me. A, bus. tap, socks. Now you say the sound and name the picture. Words are made up of phonemes. We can stretch those words out to hear each individual phoneme. This process is called phoneme segmenting. Segment the word bus into its individual phonemes by stretching it out slowly. B, a, s, bus. Now segment the word sad. Stretch it out slowly. Sad, sad. Segment the word mouse. Say it slowly and stretch out each sound. M, ow, s. Have a go on your own now. If you need help, ask an adult. Segment the word tap. Segment the word kite. Segment fan. Lastly, segment moon. The sound t is represented by the written letter T. There is another T, a capital T. Both of them are named T, and both of the sounds are T. I am going to show you how to write the capital letter T. You start at the starting star at the top. Place your pencil there and do one straight line down to the bottom. Take your pencil off, go back to the top on the left-hand side and do one short line straight through to the right. When writing the capital T on the lines, we start at the starting star at the top. Place your pencil down and do one straight line down to the bottom solid line. Take your pencil off, go back to the red dotted line and do one line from left to right along that red dotted line. You have learnt 4 sounds and are now starting to blend those sounds to read words. Well done.